Nokia is finally entering the competition in the smartphone industry by coming back with a whole new lineup that suits the modern taste of consumers. The HMD Global launched the Nokia 7 Plus here in the Philippines on mid-April this year, equipped with a set of good specs and interesting features. We finally got our hands on the Nokia 7 Plus, so we'll test and see if this is a worthy smartphone for you. Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. The Nokia 7 Plus is built with a front glass and aluminum body with orange metal at the sides. At the back you'll spot the vertically aligned dual camera setup with the LED flash and a fingerprint scanner. The Nokia branding is also written in an orange tone which complements with the black panel. There's also the text Android One written at the bottom. At the bottom of the smartphone, you'll find the USB 2.0 port, speaker grill, and a microphone. Physical buttons are located at the left, which are the volume rockers and the power button, while the opposite side has the same tray. Lastly, at the top is the headphone jack, which we appreciate since manufacturers are starting to ditch this feature. The Nokia 7 Plus dimension measures 158.4 by 75.6 by 8 mm and weighs 183 grams. Overall, the phone looked sleek and modern. We'd like to commend Nokia for executing such design, since we can see that one of the oldest smartphone manufacturers are trying to keep up with modern designs. The Nokia 7 Plus features a 6.0-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18 by 9 protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The screen may not be as vibrant as compared to other flagship phones, but what compensated with the display is the smartphone's interface that looks neat and looks pleasing to the eye. We also took out the phone and tested if this won't encounter any problems under broad daylight. With the display on maximum brightness level, the screen is still visible. Unlike any other smartphone that was released this year, the Nokia 7 Plus didn't provide an option where we can fully customize the color and contrast of the screen. Only the night light, which decreases the blue tone on the screen for visual comfort, especially for those who want to sleep and read easily, was included. The Nokia 7 Plus sports a dual 12MP plus 13MP rear camera with gyro EIS, photo detection autofocus, 2x optical zoom, Zeiss optics, and a dual LED dual tone flash. For the selfie snapper, it has a 16MP with 2.0 aperture and Zeiss optics. On this outdoor shot, the color was vibrant, but it was still close to its accurate color. With a combination of good lighting and a nice environment, the rear camera resulted in a good quality photo. Despite that, we noticed that the sky wasn't as clear as compared to other subjects. Aside from the vibrant colors, what we can observe in this photo is the details and how the Nokia 7 Plus has clearly captured a moving object in an auto mode, which is impressive for a rear camera. Photos on low light seem to be one of the Nokia 7 Plus smartphone's struggle. In this photo, it made it look like the photo has this eerie atmosphere, which is not a bad thing, since it could be an Instagram-worthy photo. While low light is a struggle for this smartphone, color and details are perhaps the Nokia 7 Plus's strength, as it clearly shows the texture of the popsicle sticks. With additional lighting, the colors and details stood out as the HDR mode was also used. Thanks to this mode, the light beside the subject didn't scatter. This means that Nokia is stepping up their smartphone game, giving us some quality photos on their Nokia 7 Plus. With almost the same judgment as the photo above, the lights were not scattered. Even though the Nokia 7 Plus takes a vibrant photo, it manages not to overdo it considering the colored lightings around. Going to the selfies, what we noticed is that there's softness in the photos even without the beauty mode or any enhancement added. Comparing the two, you won't notice that the second photo was enhanced with beauty mode because of the subtleness. This is something we always compliment because looking artificially enhanced on a photo doesn't look pleasing as compared to looking more natural. Looking at this photo at a short distance, you won't quickly notice the blur at the background. However, this could be a good thing since it's not overdone, and also a bad thing because of the lack of sharpness. But still, it will always be up to your own perspective on which looks better. Lastly, Nokia boasts their own Boti, where it allows us to take a photo on the front and back at the same time. The Nokia 7 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, coupled with an Adreno 512 GPU that carries 4GB of RAM paired with 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256GB via a microSD card. It also runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. In terms of security features, it only offers the fingerprint scanner except the basics. We tested its speed, and the response wasn't as fast as this phone's competitors. It's neither fast or slow, so this can be tolerable. We played and tested high graphic games such as Asphalt 9 and Arena of Valor. Gameplay was decent and smooth. We didn't encounter any lags during the game. We tested the Nokia 7 Plus using the following benchmarking tools, and here are the results. The Nokia 7 Plus is fueled by a 3800 mAh battery. It lasted for 27 hours of casual web and social media browsing, with light gaming and media playback to drain the phone. This handset took exactly 20 minutes to charge the phone to 30% and exactly 2 hours to fully charge it into 100%. What we noticed on playing varieties of music on this device is that it doesn't always make the loudest and clearest sound, especially on outdoors. So you might want to use a speaker to clearly hear what's playing. On the other hand, it sounds decent indoors and doesn't sound scratchy on a maximum level. The Nokia 7 Plus is a flagship smartphone that can be a good choice. However, there are other smartphones that could be a better choice in this price range. Even though this might not be the best in its category, it still provides its user a good gaming experience and swift social media and web browsing. The Nokia 7 Plus is available in the colors black or copper and white or copper. It also has a standard price of 21,990 pesos. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it and to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!